Having excess hair is a natural phenomenon, but it can be an embarrassing situation most of the time, especially for women, or sometimes even post-pregnancy. Most women shave off their facial hair, but do not worry, the solution is very simple. Definitely, shaving off your facial hair is not the correct solution. For this problem, you need the following ingredients. I'll take 1/4 spoon of turmeric, 1 full tablespoon of besan, and 2 spoons of milk. I'm going to mix all these 3 things properly. So this is how your mixture looks. You have to apply it and wait for around 20 to 25 minutes. When it dries off, with the help of your palm in the opposite direction, you have to remove it and you can see the difference within 15 to 20 days.